Most websites are simply online brochures that fail to convert visitors into leads and patients. If structured well, your website can become a powerful revenue-generating asset. In this 3-part video series, I go through the most important aspects of a high-performing website. First of all, is to understand how to stop your website from becoming a leaky bucket that isn't performing, and the importance of giving your website a clear job and key performance indicators, KPIs, and how to use content upgrades as a powerful tool for capturing website visitors, and how to use landing pages to ensure your paid ads convert well, and 3-step structure for the hero section of your homepage that compels a visitor to take action. And the most important, design and user experience for maximizing conversions of visitors to bookings. Welcome to another episode of Online Marketing for Doctors TV and Podcast Show, your go-to resource for growing and scaling your practice. I'm your host, Huynh Chuong, a strategic market consultant for medical clinics. Over the past more than a decade, my team and I have been helping clinics across Australia, the UK, US, Singapore, India, Canada, New Zealand, and beyond to thrive using our proven patient generation system. And today, we're going to dive into the first topic, how to stop your website from becoming a leaky bucket that isn't performing. Leaky buckets. Most websites are just online brochures. They are filled with cheesy stock images of perfectly diverse groups of people high-fiving each other or shaking hands. They make unsubstantiated claims of being the leader in their category. If they have a call to action, it's usually something weak like contact us to find out more, or enter your details for a free code, or get in touch. Even an ideal prospect happens upon the website, the chance of it being exactly right time they are making purchasing decision are small. The chance of them actually following through with an action that leads to a sales or booking are extremely small as well. So the situation is even worse when expensive leads or inquiry on paid ads land on a website only to briefly glance at it and then click away. And there's something that really interests them, they may linger for a while. However, even then, the website will likely end up being one of dozens of browser tabs they have open, and most of which they never return to. Now, the issue number 2 is blocking the leaks. Someone giving over their email address is available to you and potentially perceived as risky to them. People are concerned about how their data will be used, and rightly so. We've all been plummeted with spam by overzealous marketers before, and for this reason, there needs to be an exchange of value. One where they feel like they're getting a great deal by giving you their email address or their other details. You give them something that helps them on their journey to solving whatever problem they are trying to solve, and in return, you get their contact information. A blockage for many entrepreneurs or clinic owners is that what to offer make this value exchange compelling. Your flagship access is a good candidate. Typically, it could be featured on your homepage. I discuss the layout of your homepage shortly. And let's talk about content upgrades. Content upgrades are valuable pieces of downloadable content that complement product, service, or article pages across your website. I found content upgrades to be powerful tools for driving email opt-ins. Example content upgrades include checklists, a summarized, actionable version of the key points covered on the web page that the prospect is visiting, worksheets or templates, tools that help readers apply the knowledge or concepts presented, making it easier for them to achieve desired outcomes. Additional tips or strategies, supplementary information that builds on the web page content, providing further insights or advice. Exclusive interviews or case studies, real-life example or in-depth analysis related to web page content, video or audio content, or an alternative format of the web page content catering to different learning preferences and offering a more immersive experience. Discounts or coupon codes for e-commerce stores or a one-time discount or coupon code can be an effective way to drive email opt-ins. Content upgrades enhance the user experience and build trust with the audience and provide additional value to the web page visitor. They are typically more effective than generic lead magnets because they directly address the needs or interests of readers who are already engaged with one of your web pages. The email address of your web page visitor is captured and the content upgrades is automatically delivered by your CRM or customer relationship management software, which gives them instant gratification. Offering content upgrades on relevant pages of your website and using clear calls to action will help you grow your email list. Content upgrades are the effective way of blocking website traffic leaks while delivering a lot of value to your audience. Your homepage, let's talk about it. On a website, above the fold refers to the portion of the web page that is visible to the screen without user needing to scroll down. The top fold of your homepage is commonly referred to as a hero section. This is typically the most highly trafficked part of your entire website. While you have specific landing pages for specific products or procedures or promotion, your hero section serves as a kind of catch-all landing page. On numerous occasions, I spent several minutes on a website scrolling and clicking, only to be left more confused than when I started. I often string together a lot of meaningless jargons and whistle words. I recently came across a website whose homepage was headlined "Solutions for Long-Term Health Goals." The description below reads, "At Clinic Name, we are committed to delivering compassionate, innovative healthcare by embracing our core values of passion, integrity, and creativity. Through proactive and solution-focused care, we aim to inspire positive transformative change in our patients, staff, and the broader medical community, fostering collaboration and partnership at every step." Honestly, I still have no idea what the heck this clinic actually does or who they do it for. I wonder how many patients, a potential patient, and how much revenue they have lost over years because of their messaging. Clarity is king when it comes to this crucial section of your website. A good structure for hero section of your website is, here's what I've got. This is the headline of your homepage. Here's how it makes your life better, and this clearly and concisely explain the transformation your prospect will experience and how it will make their lives better. Don't write a novel here. This should be one sentence, 2 maximum. And here's what I want you to do next. This is the specific next action they should take. Okay, here's an example. Caffeine-infused protein bar, the delicious, nutritious, all-natural snack with organic green coffee that helps you crush your workout without the crash. Shop now or get your free sample pack here. The headline clearly states exactly what being offered. A caffeine-infused protein bar. There's no guessing involved. It makes our target market's life better by providing protein and helping them crush their workout, things they really want. And we also address potential objections of healthfulness and taste head-on by telling them it's organic, all natural, and delicious. And lastly, we give them the good thing without the bad thing by telling them they won't have caffeine-induced crash. Finally, we have a primary call to action that directs them to where they can buy the product immediately. For more risk-averse, we have a secondary call to action that invites them to order a free sample pack. Either way, their details will be captured in the CRM system for future nurturing and follow-up. I recommend using a different, preferably brighter color for your primary call to action button. Make strategic use of imagery in your hero section that supports and enhances your message. Images of people achieving your prospect's dream outcome are ideal. Also, our gaze is naturally drawn to where others are looking. You can use this to draw more attention to your call to action button by ensuring the people in your images are looking towards it. Avoid auto-playing videos, animations, and carousels in your hero section. They are distracting and scream outdated web design. Social proof is another powerful thing to include on your homepage. Awards, press coverage, prestigious clients you work with, great reviews, testimonials, and so on. These reassure your visitor that you are legitimate and trustworthy. Now, your About Us page. After your homepage, your About Us page will typically be your website's second most viewed page. Someone may visit your About Us page for many reasons, depending what business you are in. Here are some of the most common ones. Figuring out who's behind the business. Are they legit? Checking out your team. What's the size of your team and businesses? What roles do they have there? Or do they know what they are doing? Will they be fun to work with? And for personality or thought leader-based business, had this person help people like me? And does this person know what I'm struggling with and have been through what I'm going through? Okay. For product-based businesses, where is this stuff made? Is it eco-friendly? How did they come up with the idea? And your About Us page is a great place to tell your story, but don't make the common mistake of making it all about yourself. Tell your story in a way that's directly relevant to whatever result your target market wants. I recommend starting your About Us page with the most compelling things that you got for your ideal prospect. Is there a big problem or something important that they need to be aware of? Is there an impressive claim that you can make that relates to them? When writing your About Us page, it's important to focus on the transformation you offer. Instead of just listing your qualifications and experience, consider how it solves the prospective patient problems. For example, I highly recommend using visuals on your About Us page, including photos of yourself, your team, and your office or theater. Just imagine taking the person for a tour through your business or letting them meet your team. Action shots of your team doing their things are a good way to replicate this. Other common pages and features, for example, other common pages you might include in your website are your product and services page. And these describe, demonstrate, and sell what you do. There should be well thought out next steps. For a consulting business, it might be scheduling a discovery call. You likely include pricing information too. If your pricing is a custom or build to order, I recommend including a price range here. Next one is contact us page. Give people multiple ways to contact you, including your phone number. If you take inbound calls or if people visit your physical location, include helpful information like map, landmarks, and parking instructions. And also include a form that routes inquiries to the right place within your clinic based on the form's content or selected option. For example, sales inquiries might be piped into your sales CRM system, while support-related requests could create a ticket in your helpdesk system. Now, let's talk about sales pages. These are focused on converting visitors into customers. You typically send leads you previously captured on your landing page to sales pages throughout your marketing process. A good sales page should include, at minimum, a headline, a problem and a solution, social proof, and a call to action. Now, next page is frequently asked questions. Answer common questions, inquiries. These can save time for both you and your visitor. Ensure these are genuine and helpful and not made up and self-focused like, why are you so awesome, and how do I buy more stuff from you. Obviously, include word love, a page featuring reviews, testimonials, and overwhelming social proof, news, media, or articles. These will be your content hub. Here, you provide updates, post relevant articles and videos, and share insights related to your business or industry. This can generate a lot of organic search engine traffic if done well. There's another thing in compliance. These are legal compliance pages like terms and conditions and your privacy policy pages. Let's talk about live chat. If you have the team members who staff it reliably, live chat can be a powerful conversion tool. While many people may hesitate to call or email you, they often be more open to using live chat. Some action item for this special video episode: set clear KPIs for your website and monitor these regularly. And review the hero section of your website, revise it so it's clear, compelling, and has a strong call to action. And take an objective look at your website through analytics and hit marketing tools to ensure that it's optimized for conversions. We also have the link to our How Good Is Your Website quiz on the show notes, so you can do a quick 2 minutes checkup to see how well your website is performing now. And by answering these quiz questions, you gain some insight into the effectiveness of your current website. And if you like a comprehensive audit and a 360-degree review of your website, please reach out for a discovery call. We schedule a website audit and strategy session for you. And okay, so that wraps up another special episode of OMD TV podcast show. If this was helpful to you, please subscribe to the Only TV and Podcast Show so you don't miss any future episodes. And please share this episode with your staff and colleagues. And if you want to learn more about online marketing for doctors and how my team can actually help you generate more new patients or booking and referring doctors via creating a highly converting website for medical and healthcare practices, please reach out to us and book a 15-minute discovery call with us, as I mentioned above, and I leave the link to it in the show note below. So thank you very much for tuning in today, and I look forward to be speaking with you soon in our discovery call. And bye for now.